Hello and welcome to Yoga TX. My name is Crystal. Today I've got kind of a shorty flow for you. We're gonna go through some things. This is meant to be an energizing practice. So if you need a pick me up in the morning, middle of the day, I don't know, maybe it's Friday night and you're about to go out, it's a great practice to do. You pick your poison, you clicked on the class, but here we are. We're gonna start in a seat. You don't need any props for this class. Yay, love that for us. But if you have them, feel free to grab them. It's your practice. All right, start in a seat, comfortable seat, and then bring your hands somewhere on your body. Let's just ground down for a moment. Let your eyes close down. Exhale all your air out. Take a deep breath in. And the mouth open, let it go. 2 more like that, deep breath in. Mouth open, exhale. 1 more like that, deep breath in. Mouth open, let it go. Take a few more rounds of breath on your own. I invite you to seal your lips for the rest of this moving practice. Find that warming Ujjayi breath. Maybe set an intention if that's something you like to do. Find a word to hone in on, calm, joy, peace, whatever it is you're needing in your life today. And then gently blink your eyes open. On your next inhale, sweep your arms overhead, bring your palms to touch. Exhale, hands to heart. Twice more, inhale, gather your energy. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. Different here, inhale, reach your arms high. As you exhale, take a side bend over to the left. Left hand plants, take your right bicep over your ear. You can walk your bottom grounding hand as far away from you as feels good. You can put a bend in the bottom elbow. Then inhale, look up at your right thumb. As you exhale, cactus your arm and look down at your left thumb. Moving with the breath, inhale to look up, straighten your arm. Exhale, cactus and look down. Inhale, look up, reach up. Exhale, bend and look down. Inhale, re-extend, different here. As you exhale, lower your right hand down and then crawl yourself forward over your center line. You can find a gentle sway side to side here, or you can just let your head dangle in space. Then walk your hands back towards you. Take a moment to switch the cross of your legs so it feels a little bit awkward. And inhale, reach your arms high. Exhale, side bend to the right. Right hand down, left bicep over your ear. Feel free to adjust your bottom arm. Now inhale, look up at your left thumb. Exhale, cactus your left arm, look down at your right thumb. Twice more with the breath. Inhale, look up, reach up. Exhale, cactus, look down. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Different inhale, reach overhead. Exhale, lower your left hand down and crawl yourself forward over your midline. Find that sway or stillness, whatever you need in this moment. Then we'll take it into tabletop. Come to hands and knees. You can find a sway of the hips side to side. You can take some cat-cows. Start to tune into you. Maybe inhale, heart forward. Exhale, tuck your chin, puff up the back of your heart. You can keep with this opening of the chest and then the opening of the back of the heart. Or you can take it into some circular motions. Take about 3 more rounds of breath here. All right, inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Float your hips up and back. Maybe pedal out your heels. Find a still down dog. Then bend your knees, look forward. Tiptoe to the top of your space. Ragdoll, once you're there, grab opposite elbows, sway side to side. Nod your head. Yes, shake it. No, no, no. Release your fingertips towards the earth, slowly rise up, stacking vertebrae one at a time. Once head stacks over shoulders, roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Find a proud chest. Then inhale, sweep your arms high. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to plank. You can opt to lift your hips up and back to down dog, or take a vinyasa by shifting forward, lower half or all the way. Inhale to open your heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Twice more, bend your knees, look forward, travel to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, hop or step back. The journey to down dog is yours in as many or as few steps as you desire. And one more time, bend your knees, look forward, travel forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand all the way up. Exhale, straight back down. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant your hands, hop or step back. Move like you, we meet in down dog. Awesome, deep breath in. Long breath out. Bend your knees, look forward. Travel to the top of your space. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, stand all the way up. Let's take it into chair. Bend your knees. And then we'll turn this into a marching chair. Ground into your right foot. Inhale, straighten right leg. Left knee lifts up with you. Exhale, chair, both feet down. Switch as you inhale, right knee lifts. Ooh, a little wobbly. Exhale, chair, both feet down. Inhale, left knee lifts, pause. And then swing your knee out to the left. Let's take a tree pose. Left foot plants somewhere on your standing leg. Just make sure it's above or below the knee. You can always use the hand to adjust the placement. Find something to focus your eyes on that's not moving. And arms can stay reaching up for more energy or more challenge. If you need a little more grounding, bring your hands to prayer at your heart space. All right, take one more inhale. Fun transition, we're going to come into half moon. So your left knee is already out to the left. Release the bind or the connection of foot to leg, and then kick your left foot to the back of the mat as you reach your right hand down. Now, great place if you do have a block to use it. You don't need it though. You can put a bend in your standing knee and make sure that your hips are open to the left. So left hip bone isn't pointing down, it's opening up. Ooh, inhale. And exhale, put a soft bend in your right knee. Step into warrior two. Whew, front ankle's a little tired. All right, flip your left palm. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, side angle, forearm to thigh. Inhale, rise back up, straighten both legs, reverse triangle. And exhale, cartwheel your hands down, step back, vinyasa, or skip it. Right, bend your knees, look forward, travel forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale to sit lower, ground into your left foot. Inhale, right knee lifts. Exhale, chair, both feet down. Inhale, left knee lifts. Exhale, chair. Inhale, right knee lifts, pause, take it into tree. Right knee comes out to the right. Plant your right foot somewhere on your left standing leg. And then take liberty with your arms. Do whatever feels good. You can find grounding, hands at heart space. You can reach up. Extend your branches. All right, take one more inhale. Exhale, half moon. Release the connection of foot to thigh and kick your right foot to the back of the mat. So hips are opening up to the right. High floor. There you are. I missed you. Whew. All right, take an inhale. Now as you exhale, soft bend into your left knee. Step back to warrior two. Flip your left palm. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Find two straight legs. And exhale, low lunge. Frame your front foot. Step back, vinyasa, or skip it. All right, we'll cycle through that one more time on each side. A little bit of variation we'll add at the end. From down dog, bend your knees, look forward, travel forward. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Bend your knees, reach up. Exhale to sit lower. Ground into your right foot. Inhale, left knee lifts. Exhale, chair. Switch, inhale, right knee lifts. Exhale, chair. Inhale, lift your left knee, pause. Take it straight into tree. Whoop. Take an extra breath. And exhale, half moon. Kick your left foot back. You know where we're going now. Right hand comes down, hips open up to the left. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Take an inhale. Exhale, warrior two. How softly can you land? Try not to make any noise. All right, inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, side angle. Now come back into warrior two. Inhale. Exhale, warrior one. We're going to spin our hips forward. I need to adjust my back foot so that it turns to a 45. I'm going to widen my right foot out to the right a little bit. All right, take an inhale. And as you exhale, shift your weight forward back into your right foot. Kick your left glute with your left heel. So my arms are still reaching up. Right hand's going to stay where it is. Left hand's going to come down to the inside of the left foot. We're setting up for a dancer. So finding the inseam, my palm is facing out, thumb is close to the big toe. Keep your knees connected to start. Inhale, puff up your heart, reach tall. You can choose to stay or start to kick into your hand any amount. Maybe send your right fingertips forward. This doesn't have to be a huge movement. We're just opening up the shoulder, finding a bit of balance. Ooh. Take one more inhale. And exhale to come back up. Release both feet down. Let's find what I call open coat sleeves. And kind of just spin yourself around, keep your feet planted. Ah, that's nice. Okay, last side. Let's get straight into it. Find your chair pose. Bend your knees, reach your arms high. Ground into your left foot. Inhale, right knee lifts. And exhale, chair. Inhale, left knee lifts. Exhale, chair. Inhale, right knee lifts. Pause. Take it into tree. Inhale. Exhale, half moon. Kick your right foot back, toes to the side. Open your hips up. Inhale. Exhale, warrior two. Hello, earth. We love that for us. Flip your left palm. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. Inhale, back to warrior two. And exhale, warrior one. Spin your hips forward. Replace your right foot to a 45. So hips are squared. Both feet are grounded. Take an inhale. Try to keep your arms lifted as you shift your weight back into your left foot. Right heel kicks your glute. Take your right hand down to the inseam of your right foot. That's the big toe side. Inhale. Knees touch to start. Exhale to kick into your hand any amount. This is a heart opening, balancing. You should feel super energized right now. You're doing it. Keep breathing. If you fall out, get back in. One more inhale. And exhale, release your right foot down. Let's find those open coat sleeves. Feels so good. Okay, I'm just singing at you. Let's do one more vinyasa. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant your hands, hop or step back. This is the end of the movement, so do with that what you will. We meet in down dog. And then child's pose. Soften your knees down, hips towards your heels, lower your forehead down. Deep breath in. Long breath out. All right, let's come back up to a seat. We'll end with a little bit of a twist. So come back to your seat like we started. Inhale, sweep your arms high. Exhale, twist to your left. Left hand behind you, right hand to left knee. Use an inhale to lift tall. Exhale, turn and twist a little more. Inhale, reach back up. Exhale, take it the other way. Left hand crosses the body, right hand behind you. Inhale to lift tall. Exhale, turn and twist a little more. All right, if you have the time, sorry, we should unwind. I should cue that. Come back to center. If you have the time, feel free to come onto your back for a Shavasana if you need to move on with your day, because I did promise a shorty practice. Let's close out together. Bring your hands to your heart space. Begin to exhale all your air out. And take a deep breath in, fill up. Breathe into your hands. Take in an extra sip at the top. And sigh it out. Great, thank you so much for showing up and practicing with me here today at Yoga TX. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe to the page. If you want to follow me personally, you can find me on Instagram. My handle is at its_Crystal. That's CRYST 5 A's and an L. Namaste, yogis.